Hi, it's me with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody asked me to critique. I helped them do this last week, and it's late at night. I just got home, and I am going to show them a couple things I would do differently. I'm going to left click and right click, and if we look here, this is a CMY outline. It's not a fill, so I'm going to go to Object and I got to select it. Doesn't look like it's selected yet. Group of four objects. Let's go up here and ungroup it, and then group that, and then go to object and convert the outline to an object. Then I'm going to left click, right click, and if you see that it won't really matter, but I think it would do a better job if we welded all this. And right here, and now you have a better line, and then we could always take the smart fill tool and set it on that red that she had, or a red, and you're going to have a lot better results and be able to use this later on. Um I don't really remember what the first one looked like. The points could be a little rounded off. I don't know, uh, but I'm going to look at this tomorrow. Um that looks a little bit fuzzy, and maybe I'll show her how to put these dash lines in here because I totally don't understand right now what's going on with that. Let's go to object group. No, it's not a, don't really know what that is. Huh. It's several outlines. We ought to be, okay, break the three objects apart. So these lines need to be, now we should be able to ungroup it. Those lines need to be part of it and not just stuck on top, because there's actually, um, well, the lines are actually there. Let's see what we do if we left click. See, this is evidently an outline too, or a thick, I don't know what it is. Let's try this. It changes, but I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I'll look at that tomorrow, and if she needs help, she'll let me know. Well, that's a bitmap. If we take a yellow box, maybe that's what she was just needing help critiquing and find to figure out how to do that. Now I can't even place it into the order. Get the yellow box, object, order, back of page. No, it's not a, well, it is a bitmap in a way because it's got a bounding box around it. Let's look at it in wireframe. You know, there's nothing wrong with it except for there's, maybe I moved those lines, put it back to enhance. Yeah, there's some hidden lines in there from previous work. Anyway, stay tuned tomorrow for part two of this, and I'll show her how to put those lines in there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.